Welcome all. Today we would be seeing the MIRO board. You can sign up to MIRO board using Google or any of the famous social media platforms. If you have anyone sharing the link to you, for a beginner, you get links from your friends asking you to be a part of MIRO board. So you paste the link in the browser and then this is how your typical MIRO board looks. So in this MIRO board, you have this basic tool set and this advanced tool set. So today we will be looking at a very basic tool set and this navigation panel. So this entire sheet is this. So you zoom out and you can zoom in. You have this navigation board where you can take and see what you want to do. So if you zoom out, this is your entire board. You can use your mouse to zoom in, zoom out, and we will see how does we work on it. So let's zoom into a corner. We wanted to create something at this point. Now this is a select option where you can select the things, objects, and you can resize or delete or do anything. Now we have a sticky notes. Say we chose sticky notes, chose the color, clicked, and we can type color, and you can resize them. You can actually change the font size to auto or change the font style, and you can paste a link here and you can change the color. You can change the size to small, large. We made it extra large, and you can add a small tag. You can insert a smiley as a reaction. It comes here. One person's like it, and there are other options which are not generally used. Okay, you can copy paste these and change the color A, B, C, or create new sticky notes. Copy paste, Control C, Control V is copy paste, and if you want to group them together, you can actually put a shape. There are shapes here. You can actually form a shape around it like this. It can be an outline or it can be just an outline with, you can increase thickness, dashed, straight, and inside you can keep transparent or give a color. Say you give this color hello, and you can send them back so that the back objects will be visible, and you can resize it anytime. And you have arrow marks which connects shapes. So we have these two shapes here. We cannot select multiple items here easily. By holding shift, if you drag, you can select everything here. Hold shift and drag. You selected all the 5 objects. Now Control V, Control. You can paste. Now you can use this arrow tool to connect objects. I wanted to connect this thing to the first here, and I wanted to use a type line like this, or I can use a type like this. You can change the color of the line, and I wanted to connect again this to this, and I wanted to connect this to this, and I will connect this to this. So that is how you make connections. So the entire idea of MIRO board is to create a small notes and then connections between your thoughts. You can also add text. This is a small text box, you see. I'll make it bigger. Hello, I am Kalyan. This is a highlighter pen. I can use this pen, I can use these tools, and I can also use eraser here to erase them. I'm moving around the text. I'm making the text more bigger. 400. Hello, I'm Kalyan. So that is how the basic tools of MIRO board helps. And there is something called a comment. You can click on it and click on any object. So you have a comment at this point. Comment 1. I like it. And now you see there is a small comment tab. When you click on it, you see the comment. 1 says guest, which is me, says I like it. You can add emojis, like it, dislike it, or you can leave a reply. What do you like? I like apples. Apples are good for health. So it's like a discussion. A comment section is a small chat box where you click on this and you see the comments from the other guests. Everyone who is using the board can able to edit, create anything. So everyone has the same rights, and at the bottom you see frames, video, presentation mode, comments, chat, all these options. You can click presentation mode to go to these boxes, individual boxes, slides, second slide, third slide. So when you create frames, you can do that, but right now we're not focusing on that. We would just stick to the basic uses of the MIRO board. And look, this is an example of how a MIRO board can be used. How the ideas are put together, and so thank you for watching. Hope you start using MIRO board.